Namaste. Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Ujaswini Bharti and you are watching this video on OJ7. अगर आपने मेरी पुरानी वीडियोस देखी हैं तो अभी तक आपने नोटिस कर लिया हो कि ये सेटअप को क्या हो गया आज. My current setup, something like because of some reasons I had to make a jugaad sort of a situation. So this is a jugaad setup basically. So today I have for you one more street style store haul. इसके पहले वाला जो स्ट्रीट स्टाइल स्टोर हॉल था मेरा, इट हैज बीन गेटिंग अ लॉट ऑफ लव. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर दैट. अराउंड 3 weeks ago I ordered some new stuff from street style store. I really like the products of SSS, लेकिन it is quite adventurous to shop from SSS. That's why you need a lot of hauls and a lot of reviews of the products. तो मेरे पास आज कुछ टॉप्स हैं and I'll show you what I have. ओके, मोस्ट ऑफ अस नो कि सबसे बेस्ट तरीका SSS से शॉप करने का है कि वो जो ऑफर्स हैं 3 for 799, 3 for 1200, वहाँ से प्रोडक्ट्स को एक साथ लेने का. सो आई गॉट 3 टॉप्स फ्रॉम द 3 for 1200 और 3 for 1199 सेक्शन. द फर्स्ट टॉप इज अ मस्टर्ड टॉप. ये 400 रुपीज़ का इफेक्टिवली आपको पड़ता है. ऑब्वियसली इफ यू गेट 3 प्रोडक्ट्स, GST included, it's 1200 divided by 3. So 400 for each product. So this is the product that I got. It's a mustard colored, very beautiful color. I don't think I have not worn yellow a lot. I am a dusky person, so I always thought कि yellow suit नहीं करेगा. लेकिन to my surprise, mustard really suits me. When you wear a red lipstick with it, it looks stunning. So जो टॉप है इसका मटेरियल कुछ ऐसा है. इट्स अ रिब्ड मटेरियल. अगर आपने चीज़ें मंगाई हैं रिब्ड मटेरियल में SSS से, तो जो मटेरियल वो लोग एक स्टैंडर्ड मटेरियल है इनके पास में रिब्ड, that is the same material that they have sent me. full sleeves हैं. मुझे बस एक छोटा सा इशू इसके साथ में ये है कि इसकी even though S is a size that always fits me from street size store, sometimes I fit in an extra small. usually S जो है मुझे comfortably आ जाता है. ये जो टॉप है ना, it's a crop top. लेंथ फिर भी ठीक है, लेकिन it does not fit very nicely. जो स्लीव्स वगैरह है ना, they are a little loose. जब Okay, let's be very clear about one thing, that I am happy with the product. ऐसा नहीं है कि it's uncomfortable when I wear it. I am totally happy with the purchase. बस मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि जो 1200 for 3 वाला क्लोथिंग सेक्शन है ना, वो क्लोथिंग में सबसे महंगा सेक्शन है SSS पे. So I would expect the fitting to be perfect, क्योंकि इसके पहले मुझे इससे बेटर फिटिंग में प्रोडक्ट्स मिले हैं. तो it's a little surprising कि ये इसमें परफेक्ट फिटिंग नहीं है. Just that, nothing else. Overall, happy with the product. Next top that I have is again from the 3 for 1200 section. ये जो टॉप है, to be honest, जब मुझे ये रिसीव हो प्रोडक्ट, तो मुझे सबसे पहला थॉट जो मेरे दिमाग में आया था वो ये था, ये क्या भेज दिया इन लोगों ने. मतलब मैंने सॉ द कलर, आई वाज लाइक दिस इज सो डिफरेंट फ्रॉम द रेफरेंस इमेज. रेफरेंस इमेज में जो कलर लाइन मेलो लिखा है, नो डाउट, लेकिन जो पिक्चर दिख रही है वो हल्का सा उसमें इट्स अ लिटिल बिट ऑन द ग्रीनर साइड. यू नो व्हाट आई मीन. इट्स नॉट अ प्रॉपर येलो. सो आई वाज एक्सपेक्टिंग दैट कलर. Then this has got like a drawstring pattern in the front portion, which is very trendy right now. Full sleeves I like, so, and also the neckline is very fancy, so I went for it. And this is the product that I got. I know it is a little too bright. इसका material is ribbed again. neckline वगैरह जैसा दिखाया वैसा भेजा है. Can you see how bright the color is? It's not the most flattering color on me, but it's not like I can't wear it only. जिन लोगों की पर्सनैलिटी थोड़ी बहुत रणवीर सिंह से मेल खाती है, वो लोग इसे कैरी कर सकते हैं. और कभी कभी मेरी पर्सनैलिटी भी रणवीर सिंह से मेल खाती है, तो शायद मैं कभी इसको पहन लूँ, शायद मैं इसको डाई करवा लूँ. आई डोंट नो. आई विल सी टू इट. आई विल डिसाइड एज पर माई मूड. सो दिस इज फंकी, दिस इज ब्राइट. if that is your vibe, you can go for it. I'm gonna wear it and you'll see how it looks. अगला जो टॉप है 3-4-12 वाले सेक्शन में से वो है ये. It is this very beautiful color, ice blue shade है. It's got a deep neckline going on, full sleeves, it's cropped. The product that I got is this color, exactly same है as the reference image. Material again ripped. इसकी length बाकी दो टॉप से थोड़ी short है I think, but it's like wearable. Neckline of this product is quite deep. You might want to wear something inside. I did not have any camisole which matches the color, so I just pinned up the top to show you how it looks. You can decide on your own whether you want to wear something, whether you don't want to wear something. It is very beautiful. I think I got size S, yes. Moving on to the next item. This is a top from the 34799 section. It is one of the famous tops of SSS. It's this lavender turtleneck or high neck crop top. This is the top. ये one size to fit extra small, small, medium है. जब आप ये टॉप देखेंगे इन पर्सन तो आपको लगेगा किसी बच्चे का है ये. It looks very tiny because it's sleeveless and it's also cropped. It looks very tiny. The fabric again is the standard ribbed fabric that you get from Street Style store. The color is beautiful. It's a beautiful lavender. Everything is lavender in 2021. So lavender is all over the place. It's a very beautiful top. I think I have seen a lot of people wear a similar top from Zara. So this is kind of a dupe to the Zara lavender crop high neck top. I don't have any problems with the top. I really like it. It looks very cute when you wear it. बस इसका जो fabric है ना, it is a little see-through. So you want to be very careful about what you wear inside of it. Otherwise, I don't have any issues with it. I am a new creator on YouTube, but I have been posting at least 2 videos every week. So you might want to subscribe to my channel if you feel like. No pressure. The last item or last 2 items that I have are actually the same products in 2 different colors. So I have these sweatshirts. One is black and one is red. ये जो है, I know that winter is almost gone, but I know that this is not the last winter. ठंड फिर से आएगी. तो these are the sweatshirts. These are very basic. They look very cute, very very cute when you wear it. These are the things that never go off trend, right? So इसकी जो sleeves हैं वो थोड़ा volume है sleeves पे, crop है ये दोनों. कि रेफरेंस इमेज देख करके मुझे लग रहा था कि एकदम पतला मटेरियल आएगा जिससे कि ठंड को तो कुछ होगा नहीं, बस फैशन के लिए है ये. लेकिन टू माय सरप्राइज इट्स नॉट द केस. ये इसका मटेरियल अंदर से ऐसा है. ऐसे ब्लैंकेट्स होते हैं, आई डोंट नो इफ यू नो, बट देयर आर ब्लैंकेट्स दैट हैव अ सिमिलर मटेरियल लाइक सच. बाहर से ऐसा है और अंदर से इट्स लाइक दिस. आई डोंट नो व्हाट यू ऑल दिस थिंग एग्जैक्टली. अगर आपको पता है तो कमेंट सेक्शन में बता दो, थोड़ा ज्ञान दे दो मुझे. तो and we're done. These were all the things that I wanted to show you. Thank you so much for watching. As usual, if you have any suggestions with respect to this video, with respect to any other videos, feel free to tell me in the comment section. I love interacting in the comment section. I'm saying this in every single video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for all the love. I really like doing this. I hope you're having a good time. I am very excited for the mango season. Mangoes are going to kick in. I become a mango in summer because I eat so many mangoes. Thank you so much for watching. Stay healthy and happy at home and keep your families very healthy and very happy.